Okay, let's dive in. The very first thing you need to do is to make your way over to Pinterest, the visually engaging social media platform that has revolutionized the way we share and discover new ideas. Just type www.pinterest.com into your web browser and hit enter. Now, you will land on their homepage, an inviting portal to boundless creativity and a plethora of ideas. Don't hesitate, it's time to act. Look for the sign up option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. A form will appear asking for some basic information. Don't worry, this is standard procedure. You'll need to provide your email address, a password, and some additional information. Make sure to create a strong password that you will remember, as this will help in keeping your account secure. Now take a moment to think about your username. Remember, this is how people will identify you on Pinterest. So, try to choose a name that represents you and your brand. After you've filled out all the necessary information, hit the Create Account button. Congratulations, you've now become a part of Pinterest, a platform that hosts millions of users from all around the globe, each contributing their unique ideas and perspectives. The best part? It's completely free. Costs you absolutely nothing but a few minutes of your time. To crown it all, this is not just about being a user. This is about the endless possibilities that Pinterest offers. This is your entry ticket to the world of online earning. Now, you're ready to start your journey towards turning creativity into cash. Isn't that an exciting prospect? Not all offers are created equal on Pinterest. As a multifaceted social media platform that hosts an array of diverse interests from its users, Pinterest boasts a unique environment where offers should be carefully crafted and presented. The platform's audience has distinct preferences, spanning across various, and it's crucial to select the right niche and mold your offers accordingly to be truly effective. It's pertinent to remember that Pinterest's audience is primarily made up of creative individuals who value aesthetics, originality, and authenticity. Therefore, it's advisable to choose offers that not only appeal to their interests, but also align with the overall aesthetic and ethos of the platform. From my personal experience, I've seen an incredible amount of success with CPA networks on Pinterest. CPA, or cost per action networks, are advertising models where the advertiser pays for a specified action. This be anything from an app installation, a form submission, or even a simple click. Utilizing this, I've found promoting offers that pay without a purchase necessary to be extremely beneficial. The fact that users don't have to make a monetary commitment to engage with the offer has proven to encourage interaction and generate traffic. This model appeals to the casual nature of Pinterest users, who often use the platform for inspiration and discovery. One such CPA network that has proven to be a goldmine is the Fact-Fluent CPA network. If you're lucky enough to be accepted into their network, you'll find a plethora of high-quality offers aligned perfectly with Pinterest's audience. They offer a broad spectrum of categories, from travel and fashion to food and lifestyle. Specifically, offers in travel, fashion, and food sectors have seen remarkable success. These niches are undeniably Pinterest gold, effortlessly aligning with the general interests of Pinterest users. Crafting and promoting offers in these categories can lead to increased user engagement, higher click-through rates, and ultimately, a successful campaign. Remember, effective marketing on Pinterest requires both strategic planning and creative execution. Not all offers are created equal on Pinterest. The platform's audience has distinct preferences, so it's crucial to pick offers that resonate. I've had great success with CPA networks promoting offers that pay without a purchase necessary. For instance, Fact-Fluent CPA network is a goldmine if you're accepted. Look for offers in travel, fashion, or food. These niches are Pinterest gold. Once you've chosen your offers, the next crucial step is to meticulously organize them. This step is paramount in creating a smooth user experience, and that's where an ingenious tool like Direct.me comes into play. This unique tool, designed specifically for this purpose, facilitates effortless compilation of your affiliate links. It's an online platform that has been making waves in the digital marketing world for its intuitive user interface and easy-to-use features. It's a link in bio tool, a convenient solution for entrepreneurs and businesses who want to maximize their online presence. The use of Direct.me not only simplifies the process of managing affiliate links, but it also significantly enhances your online advertising efforts. The beauty of using Direct.me lies in its accessibility. Anyone can use it without any technical knowledge. It doesn't demand any upfront payment or hidden costs. Yes, you heard it right. Direct.me is a free tool, and its usage doesn't burn holes in your pocket. What makes Direct.me stand out is the way it empowers you to create a personalized landing page. A landing page is a powerful tool in digital marketing. It's the space where you get the opportunity to convert your site visitors into potential customers. Imagine having a landing page where you can compile all your affiliate links. How much simpler it would be to manage and track your offers. This is not just a fantasy, but a reality with Direct.me. So, after diligently choosing your offers and using Direct.me to organize them, where should you direct your audience? The answer lies in your Pinterest traffic. Pinterest, the treasure trove of inspiration, is your secret weapon to attract and engage users. Make it your powerhouse to drive traffic to your affiliate links. This is where you'll direct your Pinterest traffic. The pins that you create and post hold immense value. Indeed, they are your moneymakers. They need to be outstandingly visually pleasing and appealing, for the Pinterest feed is a crowded, bustling space. Each pin competes for attention, fighting for a place among thousands, perhaps millions of others. They're not just images or graphics, they are the digital manifestation of your ideas, your creativity, your brand. In an age where visuals rule, your pins must do more than just exist. They must shine, they must pop off the page, they must demand attention. They must be unique, innovative, and intriguing. They must stand out, compelling users to click, to engage, and ultimately, to buy. But how do you create such pins? How do you ensure that they don't get lost in the Pinterest noise? The answer lies in technology, in AI tools. Utilize powerful AI tools like Leonard, an innovative solution designed to generate spellbinding, attention-grabbing images. Leonard is not just a tool, it's a design companion, a digital artist that breathes life into your ideas. By integrating Leonard into your Pinterest strategy, you are not merely enhancing your pins visually, you're supercharging your brand's digital presence. You're creating pins that are not just aesthetically pleasing, but are also strategically designed to draw users in. Use AI tools like Leonard to generate eye-catching images that will draw users in. With Leonard, let your pins be more than just visuals. Let them be your moneymakers, your digital magnets attracting users and driving engagement and sales. Place your Direct.me link in your Pinterest biography, committing to ensure that every individual who stops by your profile gets the tantalizing opportunity to engage with the enticing offers you have curated for them. Making your carefully crafted offers available to every potential visitor is a crucial step in amassing a body of engaged followers. Don't be just another face in the crowd. Take this chance to stand out and to make your online presence known. As you initiate this process, remember that your next step is to start pinning. This is your moment to display your creativity. The world of Pinterest is dynamic and visually captivating, therefore your posts should be too. Build content that resonates with your audience, that draws them in, and makes them feel connected to your brand. Your pins should center around your special offers, but don't let that limit your creativity. Use vivid visuals, engaging descriptions, and a touch of your own personal flair to create posts that your followers won't just see, but will be compelled to click on. Remember, each click is potential profit. The more engaging your content, the higher the likelihood of those clicks transforming into actual earnings. So, put on your virtual pinning hat and get started. Immerse yourself in this vibrant world of Pinterest, creating and sharing content that reflects your offers. And then sit back, relax, and watch with anticipation as your clicks and earnings begin to soar. Remember, the key to success on Pinterest is consistency and quality, but what exactly does that mean? Let's delve deeper into this concept to understand its significance. Consistency refers to the regularity in posting, which means maintaining a steady flow of content that your audience can expect and look forward to. Do not let your Pinterest presence fade, as the more frequent you are, the more visibility and traction you get on this platform. It's similar to a television show. If it airs every week at the same time, you know when to tune in. Similarly, if you post regularly, your followers will know when to expect your fresh content. Regularity also provides a perception of reliability, enhancing trust in your brand. Quality, on the other hand, is all about the value you're offering to your audience. It's not just about posting regularly, it's about posting something that is relevant, appealing, and adds value to your followers. High-quality posts can range from beautifully designed infographics to insightful blog articles or engaging quizzes. Remember that quality is subjective and heavily depends on your audience. What resonates with one group may not resonate with another. Hence, understanding your audience and tailoring your content to meet their interests and needs is vital. Engagement is the intersection of these two elements. It's not enough just to post regularly and ensure high quality, you must also interact and engage with your audience. Respond to their comments, ask for their opinions, hold contests, and show appreciation for their interaction. This not only boosts your post's visibility but also builds a deeper connection with your audience, making them feel valued and heard. In conclusion, being successful on Pinterest isn't just about pinning images. It's about creating a consistent, quality-rich, and engaging environment for your audience. So, do not view Pinterest as merely a marketing tool, but as a platform to build relationships and engage with your audience in a more personal, interactive way. Now go forth and pin your way to profits.